Join me as I dive into what makes WeFi a truly decentralized bank and see if I can uncover its revolutionary features before my time runs out. WeFi.co is changing the game by offering a decentralized approach to banking. This isn't your traditional bank, it's a platform that's built on the principles of decentralization, aiming to give its users more control over their financial activities. Traditional banking systems have long been criticised for their high fees and limited accessibility. Many people around the world still don't have access to basic banking services, and those who do often find themselves frustrated with the costs associated with managing their money. High transaction fees, stringent requirements for account opening, and limited access to financial tools are just a few of the pain points. This lack of accessibility and high cost of banking has left many searching for alternatives. The inefficiencies of traditional banking aren't just limited to cost, they also extend to accessibility. In many parts of the world, people have to travel long distances to access banking services, only to find that the services offered are limited and not tailored to their needs. The traditional banking model is often inflexible, failing to accommodate the diverse needs of a global customer base. Moreover, the centralized nature of traditional banks make them vulnerable to single points of failure. This can lead to security risks and system downtimes, further frustrating users who rely on these services for their daily financial needs. The traditional banking system's limitations highlight the need for a more inclusive, accessible and resilient financial system. Blockchain technology is at the heart of WeFi.co's operations, enabling secure, transparent and efficient transactions. By leveraging blockchain, WeFi.co empowers users to take control of their financial activities, allowing for greater autonomy and flexibility. Users can manage their assets in a more secure environment with reduced reliance on intermediaries. The platform's user-centric approach means that individuals can access a range of financial services without the need for traditional bank accounts. From lending and borrowing to asset management, WeFi.co provides tools that are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Decentralization isn't just a buzzword for WeFi.co, it's a fundamental aspect of its architecture. By operating on a decentralized network, WeFi.co reduces the risk of single points of failure and enhances security. This decentralized model also promotes financial inclusion, allowing more people to participate in the financial system. The real revolution here is how WeFi.co transforms the banking experience by putting users in the driving seat. Decentralization isn't just about technology, it's about creating a more equitable and accessible financial system. WeFi.co offers a compelling alternative to traditional banking by addressing many of the pain points associated with conventional financial systems. Its use of blockchain technology combined with a empowering approach positions it as a revolutionary player in the fintech space. In summary, WeFi.co's decentralized approach tackles the high fees, inaccessibility and inefficiencies of traditional banking. It offers a more secure, accessible and user-friendly financial system. What are your thoughts on WeFi.co and decentralized banking? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in more content on fintech innovations, be sure to check out my other videos. If you'd like to sign up for WeFi, then you can find the referral link in the description below this video. Cheers for now.